Hi, and welcome to today's video. If you've ever tried to delete, move, or modify a file in Windows only to get an error message saying that the file is in use, here are solutions for it. The first method is using Windows Resource Monitor. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager window, switch to the Performance tab. At the bottom of the tab, click on the option labeled Open Resource Monitor. In Resource Monitor window, go to CPU tab. You'll see a section called Associated Handles. Type the name of file in the search box, and then press Enter. Resource Monitor will show you all the processes that are currently accessing that file. Locate the process, right-click on it and select End Process. This will immediately terminate the program and release the file, allowing you to delete it. If the method above doesn't work, try the second method. Firstly, download iSunshare File Deletion Genius and install it to your PC. Then launch it. Click on the Add button at the bottom. Click on Show Hidden Files button, thus you won't lose any files. Select the files to remove from the list. Then click on OK. Here you can select the erase mode. Slow mode is recommended, as it can erase it more thoroughly. Then click on the deletion button. A warning window will pop up, telling you that the deleted files will be thoroughly deleted. Click OK to go on. Now the files are safely deleted. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.